Hey guys, how are you doing? In this video I will discuss what is the best way to use the always on display in this Amazfit GTS 2 mini, and I will also tell you about some of the features of always on display. So this will be a sick video guys. If you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So first of all, the always on display in this Amazfit GTS 2 mini looks really great, and the best thing is the always on display will be always on, so it will give you the time and other information directly on your smartwatch. You don't need to press any button, you don't need to lift your wrist up to see that, and it will be always on, so it looks really dope. So first of all, which of the settings you need to set to get an always on display which will be always on is you need to come to the settings in here, and you need to go to screen of watch face. First of all, the watch face style should be follow current watch face. You need to select this option to get the good watch faces and always on watch faces, to get the better always on display for your watch faces. And also in the enabled mode, you need to select enabled in smart mode. So these two options will be very useful in order to get maximum battery life and also to get the best watch face style for your Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So enabled in smart mode, what it will do is it will just disable the always on display when you keep this watch flat on the surface. So always on display will not work if you are keeping your watch in a resting mode, or you are just keeping your watch in the table or somewhere else. So you can see the always on display is not working here. But if I am wearing this watch in the smart mode, the always on display will be activated automatically. So if I wear this Amazfit GTS 2 mini, once I wear it, you can see that if I click on this watch face, or you can see this crown, then once I click on that, the always on display will be activated automatically, because this watch will sense that I am wearing this watch. And you can see that the always on display will be displayed in this smartwatch. So this will conserve a ton of battery for your Amazfit GTS 2 mini, and it will be very useful in the long run also, because it will not make your battery drain so easy. So it is a very useful option for always on display, you can say. And another option is this follow current watch face will also activate the always on display, which is dedicated for the watch face. So these two options are really mandatory. Another option is really important to select for your watch is you have to come to settings, and here you have to select this option of lit up on notifications, and you have to select it off. Why you have to select it off is once you get a notification or once you lift your wrist, what will happen is this watch will display the color display in your watch. So I will recommend you to turn that option off, because you already has always on display in this smartwatch which is displaying your time. You don't need this lift to wake up feature, because your watch is already displaying your time. You don't need additional information. If you want additional information, then you can already click this crown and see that. So lift to wake option is not required for your watch, because you are already able to see the time in here. And if you lift your wrist and always that display comes in between, it will be really irritating. So I just really switch off this option of lit up on notification, and that helps me to show the always on display all the time throughout the day. Until and unless I am clicking this crown, always the always on display will be displayed. So that is really good for me, because I want to show my people the always on display, because it looks really dope in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So that is the option I wanted to show you guys. So these three options you need to get enabled in order to get the maximum out of the always on display in your Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So another option is in always on display, you can also set the notifications to vibrate, so that it will not lit up the main display in your smartwatch. That is the best way to show you always on display to people, and also to conserve energy at the same time, and also to show the best always on display in your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.